generating and understanding how you come up with models to help you understand what you
First day of class over.
We did it. Bad CEO and what? I don't even.
Today was pretty chill. I kind of just went to class, was early to class, and then we did like brainstorming and talked about the new product, and like we just got like a spiel basically on like design and whatever, like the year, I guess. My feet hurt. These shoes are kind of beat up. Oh, also this was like first day fit, F-Doc fit. I don't know if you can see me very well in this lighting. School bag. My room is not put together by any means, but I got this lamp situation going on that I really like. And then I got this coin purse at a thrift store, and or it's a purse, or I don't even know, but I just put all my like non-bangle jewelry in there, and I have my bangle tower. It's kind of coming together like a little bit. I'm replacing the duvet. That's going away. That's a problem. I don't like it. But in the purse tower, I'm just gonna change my clothes and then go down to the second floor and then draw, I think, and do like my schedule. I need to like put my schedule in, my Google Calendar, and like do all that stuff. So bad. Oh, I'm melting and I can't. I just got back from like walking. I had my last class and oh my gosh, like it's so hot outside. I've been having issues with my like student ID card, or at least I did last year, like the entire year. So I'm kind of nervous about like my parking. I'm still kind of like greasy from outside. I should probably like take a shower. But I got straight to work. And you know what? Mini crash out, and then we got back on track. And I'm so excited to show you guys. Editing Bella here. Basically the assignment is that we have to make concepts of a portable water vessel. So it has to hold like 6 to 12 ounces of water. Or it might be 3 to 12. I'm not sure. They keep throwing around numbers. But yeah, that's it. That's the assignment. I never explained that. My first idea is a wooden flask. The idea is it keeps the beverage inside of it aged if you are going on like really long trips. It's specific, like we were told to have like specific use cases and like specific users, like makes it easier for you to design it. And we were told to like think magically, which like I'm so down for, like whatever. So I decided that if you were a horse packer, like a horse backpacker, then you could use this and put it on your belt. Also, it's like a belt accessory too, because you know me, I have to put accessories in there. And it's just like a oak bottle basically that you can put on your belt. And I really like I'm gonna probably try to do some sort of engraving situations. I'll definitely make it out of foam and then I'll just drum all the stuff in there. My next one is a portable toilet deodorizer, kind of like a poopery, but poopery bottles are like, you know, they're not discreet. And I was thinking, what if you wanted it to be super sleek and discreet and stuff like that? Usually I'm against like sleek, modern, whatever, like that kind of vibe. But I think that like there's time and place, and this is the time and the place. So they're kind of just like, I was thinking toilet paper rolls. It's just kind of sleek, modular system. it would have this long kind of like liquid tube in it. This one is idea 4. It's an interchangeable perfume, or it's a perfume or fragrance that has like an interchangeable pod system. So it has an alcohol base, like you buy the like perfume bottle, comes with an alcohol with it, and then you can buy like additional like fragrances that like that mix with the alcohol and like with the bottle. This is it. I was just thinking how like fragrance bottles are always cooler when they look beautiful, so what if they're just like this? Right, but if you kind of get it to where like it has the cap with the pod, what's the point of having the pod? I redrew my pod perfume. This is like makes more sense. Like that's what I had envisioned more pod. And I would like the glass to be more circular, but that's just like the general idea of how it would work. Like now I'm working on vomit bags. So fun. This is like what I had in my head, and then as I'm like drawing more, I'm realizing like that's not a lot of storage. Okay, I just finished my 6th page, so I think that I'm done. I think I have 3 like very usable ideas, and then I have some that are like funky and cool and like whatever. This is my thermos. That's like a pod system, has caffeine pods. I really like this idea, and I really like my bathroom deodorizer idea. And I like my flask, but I don't think that the flask is like impressive in terms of like the actual design. Like how this project is, it's really about like the forms and like the fact like the object itself having an interesting interaction and look about it. So I think this is the best one because of like detachable like caps and stuff, and I think this one is really easy to model too. This one is like really cool. Most of the magic is inside of it, but I feel like that's fine. Sometimes I feel like there's kind of like this idea that you should like have it be like outwardly interesting more than inwardly interesting, like maybe especially for like film models and stuff like that. But I really like these two, and I kind of knew I would. We are doing a little shopping trip in Home Depot because I like desperately need stuff, and am running out. Well, I don't even have an X-Acto knife or rulers or like scissors. So I don't know. These are nice though. Like I can't pull up with like a huge one, but maybe I'll just get like this normal little ruler here. I want a triangle one, but I feel like it's like these don't look good for paper. Like they got the edges on them. Secure all of the goods, so I have bread and rulers now. I realized like really late that I had like no supplies basically, so I had to go like get some. But yeah, I actually do have like 30 drawings due on Monday, I think, but this is my last video for the week, so I'm finally like free to like do whatever. I was like this close to going to TJ Maxx today. Okay, we're gonna do a haul of today's errand. I just got necessaries like a ruler, and it was so cheap too. Like this was like $10, which is like, it should be less, but it is like a nice 18-inch stainless steel ruler for $10. I feel like at Blake it would have been so expensive. I got a 5-pack of scissors in different sizes for like $8, which fantastic. I also got like goggles for shop, and I got like a new X-Acto knife. I also got bread because I needed bread and I hadn't gotten it, so I did go to Whole Foods and get some bread. So that's the whole. I'm gonna like change into pajamas and do some work. Maybe I go to second floor. No, I can't because I don't have my headphones. That's the other thing. Like, I don't have my headphones here. I left them at home, and I'm like, I could have like driven home today if I wanted to, but I kind of like really need them, and I do not have them, and I can't work anywhere other than my room without them because I like to have music. So that's a little bit of a problem. I got this shirt this summer, and it's the coolest shirt you have ever seen. It's literally so cool. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. It looks so crazy. Like, tiger face on the front. Like, animal print on the back. Okay, I'm done. Slay. I'm gonna try out wearing wedges today. I don't know if it's gonna go so well, but we're gonna try because all my shoes are actually really impractical, so. I just got to studio and I'm like the only one here, which is like, yes, best feeling ever. Everything is Windows though, and I am not sure how to use this. Now I can draw. I did just get home from my last class and it's like raining crazy. It's actually not raining, it's just thunderstorming and lightning. It's just, there's just thunder and lightning. But I was really wanting to get 4 drawings done today. I might just do 2 and tell myself I'll do 4 tomorrow because I don't have class tomorrow. That's really just what the first week is. Like, first week is just like figuring everything out, figuring out where your classes are, where your schedule is. I got work immediately, but like, that's just ID. Like, that's just the vibe. So there's no such thing as a syllabus day. I'm worried that my iPad is gonna die, but I'm trying to do my, you can't even see them, my sketches for my product. So not disaster has struck. Like, low-key, not a big deal, but I like left my charger in studio, so when my iPad dies I can't work anymore on the sketches, so I'm gonna have to do like finish them, like just do 10 tomorrow, 10 Saturday, 10 Sunday, so I have the 30 by Monday, and then like, so now I have like a cracked weekend, but it's fine. Like, it's fine, it's doable, it's whatever, like, it happens, you know. And now I guess I just like work on my YouTube video, and I could do my I have an assignment for another class. It's not due until next probably due, I don't know, it's probably due next week, but I'll just do it now. And yeah. So that's so great for me. It's Saturday. Woo! To close out the vlog, I have a mini haul for you guys because I left a bunch of stuff like at home. I look kind of busted right now, but like, it's fine. First up, I have new glasses. I was like really excited about them, but now I feel like they made me look so weird. Like, it's okay. You know what? Like, the internet is for vulnerability, so that's what we're gonna be doing with the new glasses reveal. Okay. Ta-da! I actually can't see anything right now, and maybe they would like sit here. My prescription is so heavy that I look like literal 4 eyes. Like, I look like, it's just insane. But the glasses are huge though. So I do like how big they are. I just think that my eyes are like way too bad to wear them. But they're my new glasses now, so I just like will never wear them in public. Next, I got a new iPad cover because real ones know that my iPad cover like completely fell apart. So now it's just kind of like bare. So I get to have a new one. Wait, I low-key think I have the wrong iPad cover. It still fits though, but the camera is not the same size. Okay, whatever. I never use the iPad camera anyway, so it like doesn't matter. At least it's cute. But I also have a new comforter to get rid of my ugly duvet. And I got a zebra print rug. And then there's like my DJ deck and my headphones and like my knife thing, my thing for the knives and some other stuff in here, so. Okay, so this is my room now, which, you know what, like, better than before, in my opinion. I like that bedding a lot more. It doesn't really match the blue, but you know what, maybe I'll just say it does and then it'll work. But that is it for this week's first vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next Sunday. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on YouTube at Create Something Fabulous, and follow me on Instagram at Bellaofmyfroggystuff. Also check out the YouTube channel Myfroggystuff and follow them on Instagram at Myfroggystuff. And I'll see you again next Sunday. Bye!